what's up? It's Oz at Ozzy's Music Academy. I'm coming at you today with a beginner tutorial on Send My Love by Adele, how to play that on the ukulele. This can be one of the first songs that you play because it only uses two chords, C and A minor. So I'm going to set you up with how to play the chords, and then let's play through the song. The C chord is going to be on our A string. It's going to be up 1, 2, 3 frets. First string, 3rd fret. This is the A string, 3rd fret. I have a red dot there for C. This is our C chord. The other chord that we use for this song is going to be A minor. So we're going to go from our toes up to the 4th string, and then we're going to go down to the 2nd fret. I like to use my middle finger on this. This is our A minor chord. For this song, we're going to do 8 beats of C, 8 beats of A, and that's it. It just jams out the whole time. So here's an example. We can go down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, A, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. And that's what I'm going to do for this whole song. So let's get started. Alright, go make some music. This is Oz at Ozzy's Music Academy. A world with more music sounds beautiful. Peace! Hey, before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, send this to friends, check out my Facebook page, Instagram, and Patreon. Thanks for joining. Peace.